Have you ever wondered why almost every country in the world wants US dollars? Why is the dollar more powerful than most other currencies? Let's find out. The US dollar is more than just America's money. It is the world's most widely used currency for international trade. Many countries use US dollars to buy and sell products across borders. One major reason is trust. The United States has one of the world's largest economies, and for decades, businesses and governments have relied on the dollar for global transactions. Another reason is that many important commodities, such as oil, are commonly traded in US dollars. Because of this, countries around the world need dollars to participate in international markets. Central banks also keep a significant portion of their foreign exchange reserves in US dollars. This helps support international trade and financial stability. So, the real power of the US dollar doesn't come from the paper it's printed on. It comes from the confidence, trust, and widespread use of the currency around the world. If you enjoy business facts, history, and amazing stories from around the world, subscribe to House of Fact and Fortune for more videos.